Hi there, Ivana here, and in this video we are going to go through review and demo of Viral Spark. And if you do end up staying until the end, I wanted to let you know that you can get a case study that shows you how to pull in 4 figures in 4 days in recurring affiliate commissions, and it's not going to cost you anything. So let's take it over to Dan. He's gonna walk you through how Viral Spark works, and then I'm gonna explain to you how to pick up this case study.
Hi everyone, and welcome to this demo of Viral Spark. So when you enter the system, the first thing you're going to be presented with is one of these landing pages. Now if you look at the wording, it's really attractive, it's quite compelling. It talks about generating more leads, about turning one follower into hundreds or even thousands with one simple share. So it's a really powerful proposition. Now in order to unlock the system, what we need to do is enter our email, and then what's going to happen is that the system is going to be sending a password to our inbox in order to move on to the next phase. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm just going to be choosing one of these. I'm going to go with this one here. I'm going to sign up, and then I'll see you at the next phase after I've put in my password that was generated by the system. So just stick with me here, and I'll speak to you again soon. Welcome back. So I've just unlocked the system, and as you can see, I'm in phase number 1. I'm going to be connecting social accounts, and I've got a choice of 4. I've got Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or Twitter. So what I'm going to be doing here is putting my Instagram, and I can choose any of these, but I'm going to stick with Instagram, and I'm going to go with my username, which is online cash today. And then what I'm going to be doing here is moving on to the next step. And what's going to happen now is as you can see, I've got 9 different accounts from our database to follow. And after I follow these, what's going to happen is there's going to be a little button there that's going to let me move on to the next stage. So what I'm going to do now is just follow these one by one. That's going to take me about 30 to 60 seconds, not sure how long that's going to take. I'm just going to pause the video, and then I'll meet you when this is all done. We'll see the little button there, and then we're going to move on to the third phase. Okay, as you can see, this has been activated, so I'm going to move on to the next step, which is key. And what we have here is basically 2 things. You'll see how that works in just a moment. So I can choose which of these channels to grow. Okay, so I can either go with Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube, or Twitter. I'm going to stick with Instagram for now, and then I'm going to be saving my settings. Okay, so what we have here is 2 really important things. The first one is the landing page. Now that's the landing page we've started with initially. It's got my details in there hard coded. You'll understand why that's important in just a moment. So what I'm going to be doing now is just copying that, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And what we need to do with this landing page is basically distribute it all across social media. So we're looking at Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, because as you've seen initially, it's really compelling. It's got a very compelling proposition. So when people see it, they are going to be very interested in unlocking it. So they're going to be placing their email address inside in order to unlock it, to get into the system. And we are going to be getting that email address, that contact details. So that's the first phase, and let me just show you what that looks like. And that's what the page looks like. It's, as I said, it's hard coded to me. Why that's important you'll understand in just a moment, but all of these emails are going to be captured as part of the system. So that's really the first part of Viral Spark, is an email capture system. And the second phase, which I'm going to show you now, is the commission part. So as you can see, there's a really compelling call to action just here. So turbocharge your results and earn commission. And in order to do that, you need to learn more, and that's going to lead you on to the sales page of Viral Spark. Now, because your details are hard coded into the page, that means that your affiliate link is going to be there, which means that you will receive commission when someone purchases the product from your link. So that's the second part of Viral Spark, is it generates commissions. And the third part, which you've seen previously, is the fact that it grows your social media following, because you have to follow other people in order to unlock the third phase. And what's going to happen is that other people are going to be following you as well. So in effect, you get 3 things within Viral Spark, you get email capture, you get commissions pretty much on autopilot, and you get your social media platform growing very, very rapidly when you start to distribute your landing pages all across social media. So hopefully guys, you find that interesting, compelling, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside.
Thank you, Dan, so much for walking us through it. Now, I just wanted to share with you a couple other things. If you decide to pick up a Viral Spark, it really is an awesome tool. I've actually had results with it, and I'm gonna share them with you right now. I just used a Viral Spark for a test run, and if we take a look at my stats, and I'm only using it for YouTube, as you can see, and inside of my stats you can see that I already had 7 leads, and that's by posting inside of 2 groups on Facebook. So what I'm gonna do is, if you like Viral Spark and if you want to give it a try as I did, it's definitely a cool tool to get started, especially because you don't have to create any lead magnets. You don't have to do any of that hard stuff, you know, that's very time consuming. All you have to do is just get started sharing this link. So I'm gonna give you access to 40 groups that you can post inside of Facebook for instant traffic, and then I'm also going to give you all of these bonuses right here, which is Crush It with YouTube, YouTube Cash, YouTube Celebrity, get Google Traffic, Backlink Basics, SEO Tactics for Today, VP Video Attention, SEO Skills Mastery, and Traffic Inclinator. Now, all of these bonuses are going to be inside of Warrior Plus members area. So Warrior Plus, not Viral Spark members area. And as I said previously, if you would like to get a free case study, and if you watched until now, all you have to do inside of the description of this video, you have instructions on how to pick up your case study. To top it off, I'm also going to give you a link to the bonus page that I just talked to you about if you pick up a Viral Spark through my link. And that is it. And if this is the first time you're watching my channel, it would be awesome if you can click subscribe button and to be notified of new videos that I release. Thank you so much. Have a great day.